Hello everyone. Welcome to fall 2020 semester. Um, this semester is going to be interesting and amazing, so trust me, we're going to accomplish great things in this course. And this is my little or brief self-introduction. My name is Abdusalam Ibrahim and I am originally from Nigeria and I'm multilingual, and I came to the United States back in 2014 to pursue my doctorate, which I graduated last year. And I have a long time dream of becoming an educator, which I believe to some extent I can proudly say I achieved and I accomplished. And I'm a lifelong learner. So I learn at the same time with my student, I learn along with my student, and I also come down to the level like I learn from my student as well, because we have different experiences, we have different like experiences. So that one is a learning moment for me. I take advantage of that. My research interest actually tied up with my background and education. So my which is focused on science education, technology integration, and multicultural instructional method and culturally relevant and sustainable strategies. All this tied in the realm of research. I'm a mixed method researcher. I collect both quantitative and qualitative data for analysis and at the same time. So that was what composed of being a mixed method researcher as my interest. Some people take it different, but this is what I do. And in terms of my education and experience, my background is in science education. I obtained my bachelor's of science in biology, which is a secondary ed, back in Nigeria, and also my master's in educational foundations, which I specialized in sociology of education, all back in Nigeria. I obtained my doctorate in curriculum and instruction with specialty in instructional technology here in the United States at Indiana University of Pennsylvania, which is a sister university to Millersville. And my teaching experience spanned in the decade from high school, college, and both in Nigeria and in the United States. So back in Nigeria, I was a high school teacher for about 4 years, which later on I moved to a college. And the college I taught back then was a teacher preparation college. So just like our community college here, but it's more of teacher preparation, no any other majors that were offered. And when I was doing my doctorate, I got the opportunity to teach or taught at IUP for 2 years as a teaching associate. That gave me an opportunity to work with teachers and mentors and administrators in school districts, because I was able to supervise student teachers, and I've seen the classrooms in the United States, and I have had the experience of working closely with mentor teachers for that period of 2 years. And this is my the end of my first year, so I'm just beginning my second year at Millersville University, which I have the same experience of working with teachers and mentors across various school districts. So my passion, I am a nature photographer. I love to take pictures. I love to take professional pictures of nature. Sometimes I just walk in, like drive in the woods and start taking pictures. That is just what I do. And I love hiking. And on that normal thing, on all that normal circumstance, I love to travel. Since when I came to the United States, I have been to 17 states just for fun visit. This way I don't count states I went for conferences or when I went for like 2 times. No, just for fun. So with COVID this summer, I feel it's one of the most boring summer I ever had in my time in the United States. So also here I put research as my passion because I just love to do research. And that was why library is my second home. I love to go to the library and I love to spend time at the library, just reading, researching, and that is something I do for fun. So, and you can see from the right hand side, this is a sample of my pictures that I have taken so far, and I have collection. So on good days in class, I might share some with you. So this code, I'm not going to read this, but this is Rita Pearson, an educator who is my inspiration in this field of education. So you can take a moment to read this code of hers, and eventually in class, I know we are going to explore and use some of her videos in one of our classes, so to say. So we are that champions. Educators, we are that champions. I look forward to working with you in this semester, and also look forward to seeing you or watching or reading your self-introduction. Thank you.